Right guys, how's it going? Got a little lockback here from Bear & Son Cutlery. They're based in Jacksonville, Alabama. So we've got a USA made knife here. And this is model number 705. Let's take a look at it. Alright, what we got here? Bear & Son Cutlery. Thank you for your recent purchase of this Bear & Son Cutlery product to avoid injury and ensure you get the most out of your Bear & Son product. Please take some time to complete the steps below. Step 1. Review the warranty online. Step 2. Product registration online. Everything's online these days, isn't it? This thing weighs next to nothing. It's 1.3 ounces. That's all it weighs, 1.3 ounces. Pretty neat little lockback. I like the shape of the blade, that's what drew me to it. And I like other stuff that I've got from Bear & Sons. And the lockup is supposed to be really good on these. Although I got some movement up and down here. This is the first I've looked at it. Yeah, definitely up and down movement there. Side to side a bit, but I guess that's more to do with its riveted ZYTEL. It's ZYTEL handle. What is ZYTEL, you might ask? ZYTEL is a trademark which is owned by DuPont. And DuPont, their headquarters are in Wilmington in Delaware. And they're one of the world's largest producers of chemicals and science-based products like ZYTEL, Teflon, Lycra, Dacron. They belong to some of the DuPont range. And ZYTEL, basically what it is, it's an abrasion and impact resistant thermoplastic polyamide, commonly known as nylon. And nylon mixed with fiberglass to increase the stiffness and strength. Then you get this stuff, what they're calling ZYTEL. Also polymer is what you find in like Glocks and like this Ruger American polymer handle. Same stuff, nylon with fiberglass in to give it strength and rigidity. So that's what ZYTEL is. Alright, let's take a closer look at this thing. Kinda surprised I've got that much movement. Yeah, that's a shame. Maybe they're all like that, I don't know. This is the first one that I've seen. I'm trying to read what's on the tang stamp there. And I'm trying to do it from behind a camera. Alright, it just says Bear & Son. And this side, nothing. Just Bear & Son. We got Bear MGC. MG Co. I don't know, manufacturing company, I guess. Right, we've got a little lanyard hole in the back here. Got some finger grooves. Now this is 7.5 inches overall in the open position and 3 3/4 inches closed. The blade is 2 3/4 inches and the blade is high carbon stainless steel. Got a nice clip point. That's what I like, the curve and the clip point and the upsweep here of the blade. That drew me to it. Let's see if it's sharp. Hang on, I'll grab a bit of paper. Here we go. Let's see if it's sharp. Yeah, it's sharp. They did a pretty good job sharpening it, I think. Or did they? Feels sharp at the tip. I guess it's a it's a working edge. I didn't do it any justice there, but there you go. Riveted construction here, and inside there it is steel lined. Inside the ZYTEL plastic nylon. It feels pretty good. Feels like a good working sort of knife. Grab a bit of stick here and yeah, it's cutting okay. I think it's pretty sharp. It's I didn't do a very good job with the paper. So it's shaven sharp. That's my #1 test. If it's shaven sharp, it's cut a couple of hairs, but it's not popping. It's not popping shaving sharp. Let's get that muck off of there. But there you go. Little lockback. I like my little lockbacks. This is super light. Blade centering is good, although you can't really mess it up because there's not much of a gap side to side there. They say these have a real positive lockup, real strong lock, but can you hear that? Anyway, they also come in camouflaged as well. I found some on Amazon. I'll put the links down below. There's a couple of different camouflage styles of these, and they also come in a 3-inch version. This is 3 3/4 inches, so they make a smaller 3-inch one. I'll also put a link up for that. I wonder if this is a one-off. But anyway, it's how it is. Out the box. It's the first I've seen it, so you're seeing it at the same time. Got a nail nick there, but doesn't really need it. Very light to lift. To lift you can, I guess you could almost flick it open. Yeah, pretty much. Hollow ground. It feels really smooth. It's been really tumbled well, polished or whatever. A little bit of a swedge going on here on the clip. But there you go, just a pretty inexpensive American made lock knife, lockback. And the lock here is pretty easy to manipulate. Some lockbacks are real stiff, but this is very, very light. Blade will drop there on its own almost. Let's try. Yeah. Alright. I've been carrying the case rust lock in my 5th pocket, so I think I'll retire that for a little while. And I'll put a better edge on this Bear & Son and carry it for a while and just see what it's really like. That's the only way to tell, just give them a try. Sometimes they surprise you after a couple of days. Catch you later. super sharp now. Scary sharp. Alright, catch you later guys.